Hello to hello to Miss and my fellow friends. Today I want to present about importance of toys for young children development and learning. For introduction is toys are important object for children to develop. This is because children can imagine their minds through a play object. I have visited one of the playgrounds for children. I have also brought my child to see the area. The playground is called playground. There are many games such as a sliding, cooking game, doctor game, and various. This is a picture of my daughter play the toys in the playground. Benefit of this tour is My my daughter is already good at climbing and riding horse. Second one is I feel calm when my daughter plays with the games. The benefit of toys is help help stimulate children's brain development, help strengthen fine and course motor, develop social and emotional development, give children space to imagine and create their own story or word. And the last one is improve children's speaking and communication skill. This is example toys that I find. The one is block. Uh, further reflection is I feel playground is good for the young children because they can develop their emotion. Uh, to improve the playground, I see they can put many toys in the playground. Uh, I feel so happy when I look my daughter happy when they play the toys in the playground. The playground is safe for the young children because parents can go inside play with the play with dear children. That's all from me. Thank you. Stop sharing.